What if I told you 90% of people fail in property investing, but you won't? Because in the next 5 minutes, I will teach you exactly how to turn bricks into bucks right here in South Africa. Let's get started. First off, Guide 1, Property Investment Basics. Okay, here are the 3 golden rules of property wealth. If you miss one, you are leaving money on the table. Number 1, cash flow. Imagine getting paid every month just for owning property. Sweet, right? Next, appreciation. Did you know that property values in South Africa, especially in areas like Sandton or Mhlanga, tend to go up over time? That's money in your pocket without lifting a finger. Finally, equity. This is where you own more of your property every month. It's like a savings account you didn't even know you had. Boom! Now, Guide 2. Here are quick tips for identifying profitable properties. Not all properties are created equal. Here is the secret to finding a winner. Location. You want properties near schools, malls, and transport hubs. Why? Because that's where people want to live. Simple. Here is a pro tip. If the rent covers your bond and you still have cash left over, you've hit the jackpot. Guide 3. Quick ways to analyzing property deals. We are going to analyze a property deal under 60 seconds. Ready? Step 1, ROI or return on investment. Divide your annual profit by your total investment. If it's over 10%, you are in good shape. Step 2, cash flow. Take your rental income and subtract all expenses. Positive number, you are golden. And finally, step 3, know your break-even point. This is how long it takes to recover your initial investment. Shorter equal better. Guide 4, the key metrics to know. Now, let's simplify. ROI shows you how much you are making back. If you invest 500,000 and earn 50,000 a year, that's 10%. Easy, right? And remember, cash flow is king. If your income is 12,000 rand and your expenses are 10,000, that's 2,000 cash flow. Finally, Guide 5, setting financial goals. Before you dive in, ask yourself, what's your why? Are you building wealth for your family? Planning early retirement? Setting goals isn't just smart, it's essential. And remember, South Africa, property isn't just an investment. It's freedom, it's security, and it's your future. Now, the bonus guide. Here is why property investing is perfect for just starting out. First, you don't need to be rich. There are tons of options, like rent to own or leveraging your first bond. Even a small start can snowball into massive wealth. You learn as you go. Every deal, even the small ones, teaches you something new. And finally, South Africa has one huge advantage: a growing demand for rental properties. That's your opportunity to step in and win. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Even a single step puts you miles ahead of the competition. And if you haven't booked my free consultation yet, you are missing out. In just one session, I will show you exactly how to kickstart your property journey with step-by-step strategies, insider tips, and actionable advice tailored just for you. And that's how you build property wealth in 5 minutes. South Africa, the ball is in your court. Hit the like button, share this video with your squad, and don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'm revealing my 7 deadly property mistakes to avoid. You won't want to miss it. Together, we are building a better future. Be a legacy builder. See you in the next video. Peace out.